Hello everyone, my name is Minis Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about functions of central bank and commercial bank. First of all, we'll talk about functions of central bank, then commercial bank. So what is central bank? Central bank defined as a national bank that provide financial and banking services to government and commercial banking system. Central bank is a national bank that provide financial and banking services to government and commercial banking system. And our central bank is Reserve Bank of India. Now we are going to talk about functions of central bank. First is issue of currency notes. Reserve Bank of India, which is our central bank, issue currency notes except from 1 rupees note, because 1 rupees notes and coins are issued by Finance Ministry of Government of India. Second is a banker to government. Central bank work as a banker, agent and advisor to government in financial matters. Next is bankers bank. Central bank function as a bankers bank. That means central bank control commercial bank and give them financial assistance. Next is custodian of foreign exchange reserve. Central bank protect foreign reserve and gold reserve of nation. Lender of last resort. When commercial bank fail to meet their financial requirement from any other sources, then they approach to central bank for loan as a last resort. So we can say that central bank work as a lender of last resort. Next is controller of credit. Central bank control money supply so that we can cope up with situation of inflation and deflation. As you know, in case of inflation, prices and money supply is high. In case of deflation, prices and money supply are low. That's why central bank control money supply so that we can cope up with situation of inflation and deflation. Now we are going to talk about functions of commercial bank. So what is commercial bank? Commercial bank is financial institution that carries all operations related to deposits and withdrawal of money for general public and provide loans for investment and for any other activities. And functions of commercial bank are basically divided into two parts: primary functions and secondary function. Primary functions are main function of commercial bank. Secondary function are some extra function of commercial bank. Primary functions include accepting deposit, making loans and advances, and credit creation. And secondary function include agency functions and general utility functions. One by one we discuss about each. First primary function of commercial bank is accepting deposits. Commercial bank accept deposits of public, and people can deposit their cash in either of any account. First is demand deposit account. Demand deposit account means money deposit in bank can be withdrawn on demand at any time. Next is fixed deposit account. That means your money is locked for fixed time period. And saving account are designed to encourage saving while earning a certain amount of interest rate. Second primary function is providing loans and advances. Commercial bank provides loans and advances to businesses and public and earn interest rate on it. And earning interest rate is main source of commercial bank income. And there are different types of loans and advances. First is cash credit. Here loans are given against current assets like stocks, bonds, share, etc. Second is overdraft. Overdraft means you are taking out more money than you have in your account. Overdraft means you are taking out more money than you have in your account. For example, you have only 10 lakh in your account, but you are taking out 12 lakh. Additional 2 lakh will be called loans and the bank will charge interest on it. Next is discounting of bill of exchange. Under this method, bank give advance to their client on the basis of some bills and before the maturity of these bills. Next primary function is credit creation. Credit creation is most important function of commercial bank. Through credit creation, commercial bank expand deposit, or we can say that through credit creation, commercial bank make more money from money by giving loans, advances, or doing investment also. Now we are going to talk about secondary functions of commercial bank. Secondary functions of commercial bank basically divided into two parts: agency functions and general utility functions. Agency function include collect checks, dividends, bill of exchange on the behalf of customer, make payment of rent, insurance premium on the behalf of customer, and deal in foreign exchange transaction, and purchase and sell securities, and accept tax proceeds and tax returns. And general utility functions include provide safety locker, provide money transfer facilities, issue traveler checks, and accept various bill for payment, for example water, phone and gas bill, and provide various card to customer, for example credit card, debit card and smart card. So this is all about functions of central and commercial bank. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.